The moment we've been waiting for has finally come. Have you ever dreamt of being an actor? Have you ever watched someone on TV and wished to have the same privilege? Have you ever wished to find yourself in the right place at the right time? Well, are you in Mpumalanga in Bushbuckridge? Or can you come here? Then this is for you. Have you longed for that one opportunity? Well, with ByGrace Films, it's here. Auditions are open. These are online auditions. You do it online when you're at home or anywhere at your own time. No traveling long distances, no paying expensive taxi fares or petrol. No standing in long queues, no buying expensive food, no exhaustion, no booking any accommodation. None of these expensive things will you spend here. With an online audition, you just pay a little administration fee for your audition to be processed. What are you waiting for? Just audition. What's stopping you? When someone wants something, they give it their all. They go all out to make that audition. They sacrifice. They never give up until they get in. Because one day you can walk into a place, not knowing that you're walking into a moment that is set to change your life. Auditions are open. One of the best South African actors came to Mpumalanga to motivate you. Visited communities, schools, and it wasn't just a visit. But he came to shoot the project together with you, and many other professionals like him that are yet to be revealed. Maybe your community wasn't reached, or your school. Well, time couldn't allow him to visit all the communities in Bushbuckridge. But this isn't a call for one community, or one school, or the few schools and communities that were visited. This is an invitation from ByGrace Films. An invitation to the entire Mpumalanga, the whole Bushbuckridge and the nearby places. It's an invitation to all age groups, from teenagers to adults, not school learners only, but community members of all ages, brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers, grandparents, everyone. This film series will have a great number of people, many people, more than 1,000 people. Will you be one of them? Yes, I will be one of them. I just answered for you. This is how you do your audition. You record a 2 minutes video. Don't exceed 2 minutes. There are 2 options on what you can do. 1, you can do any kind of an acting video, whatever you're good at. It can be comedy, musical, or a monologue where you just talk, or a dialogue that you can do with a friend. Anything you're comfortable with. Show us what you've got. Just do some acting. Whether combined with your talent, dancing, singing, poetry, anything, just do some acting there. ByGrace Films has provided short audition scripts that you can follow if you have nothing in mind. You can download the scripts on the comments below or send a message requesting one. Then click the audition link provided in the comments below or send a message and request the link. The link will take you to ByGrace Films' website. On the auditions page, choose your category, fill all your details required on the form, upload the video you recorded, click pay and submit your audition. When it's done uploading your video, it will take you to the payment page. Make your administration fee payment done. Yeah! It's that easy! What are you waiting for? Auditions are open. Some failed to make it to many auditions call because they couldn't afford the traveling, the food, the accommodation. It was just way too expensive for them, however. Some pushed to make it. What's stopping you? That little admin fee? People sacrifice a lot to grab opportunities. What's stopping you? Just audition. Many of the world's most successful actors never attended formal acting school. They took a chance, they believed in themselves, they tried it even when it didn't seem doable. They defeated the doubts in their minds, defeated that little voice in the head that whispers. What if? Is that voice making sound in your mind right now? What if I'm not good enough? I'm just a village girl in a rural school. I'm just a school teacher in a township. I'm just an uneducated old woman. I'm just an unemployed community member. I'm just a government employee with no talent. Can I even be an actor? What if they don't like me? What if I waste my money? What if they don't like my audition? Great questions. Yeah. What if they don't like your audition? Will you die? What if you pay that money and not make it? Will you go broke all your life? What difference will it make? The greatest question is, what if you make it? What if they like you? What if they like your audition? What if despite your performance, they decide to give you a chance anyway? Press record on that phone and start doing your audition. Call a friend if need be. Do it outside your yard or in your room. Whatever looks good and sounds great. Do it all alone if you should. Just do it. Because if you don't, you'll never know. What are you so afraid of? Beat that fear, you won't die, or what? Are you shy? Lock that door in your room and do it alone then. How many films were shot near you and you were never given a chance? Administrators will be hired to supplement the ByGrace Films administrators to ensure all audition videos are looked at. Not even one video will go unnoticed, yours too. Experienced actors and producers together with the ByGrace Films crew and other additionals, depending on the number of auditions received, will work hand in hand to go through all the videos and get the best cast. Auditions are open. What are you waiting for? Start doing that audition. Someone took a chance one day, and today you celebrate them. Here is your chance. If this doesn't motivate you, nothing will.